I'm going to bounce back from that and go into keyword research. There is another left field move, and it's a real crazy platform that is so complicated as well. Very well known in the Amazon space. It's called Helium10. It does a trillion things. I'm just going to show you one. The example is a bit random. We want to know if we're selling metal straws, that's like eco straws, who the competitors are in our space, what are the keywords that are getting the most frequency, what words are we using, and what the search volume is on Amazon.com in this case. So it's a replacement for the human brain in a way, and a lot of people don't like it. I don't use it all the time. I prefer to trust my brain, but it'll give us an idea of velocity. The results down here, the filtered keywords, they're a bit random. I don't know why. Metal straw cavehead has given us some kind of Spanish examples, whatever. But in terms of if we're selling product and we're not sure how to optimize Amazon SEO, a starter for 10 is to use Helium10, and there are about a trillion other things. I would probably need a show in and of itself to help us share it. There is a free version that you can get 2 searches a day, and I love the way it gives us our competitors who are selling the most and top products, and we all need to know what our competitors are doing from time to time.